Chosen ones, I just learned something. Chosen ones, about temptations and dealing with lust and all that other stuff. When temptation hits you, that means that you have two options: to resist the temptation or to surrender to the temptation. But what I'm learning now, chosen ones, is that on the other end of the resistance of the temptation, there's like a prize for you. You get what I'm saying? It's either a prize or it's the next level, the next step up. You get what I'm saying? But when you surrender to the temptations, when you surrender to the lust, when you surrender to past cycles, then you already know what the outcome of that will be, because you already lived it. You already went through it multiple times, so you know what the outcome is going to be. But when you resist and you tell yourself, I know there is something on the other end for me of after this resistance passes. It might not come in an hour, it might not come in the next day, but it's going to come. You get what I'm saying? It's going to come. That's when you need to practice patience. Patience is a resilient quality for us humans to have, because as spiritual beings, because we're spirits in nature, we are spiritual beings having a human experience. And as spirits, we're used to things happening at a blink of an eye. You get what I'm saying? And you know this because think about how your dreams work, how your imagination works. Everything is just at a blink of an eye. Anything you need, anything you want is boom, right there. You just go and get it. So our spirit, as a human, we have to practice patience, because at the same time we could get what we need and get what we want, but we need to have the patience, because everything moves slower in this 3D plane of existence. In the spirit realm, things is like that, but in this 3D realm, things move a little slower. But that's another video. The point of this video I'm making is, listen, anytime that temptation starts to hit, because I'm going through it too. I'm making this video so as a document, you know what I'm saying, giving my testimony, so I could come back to this when I'm starting to feel that temptation. You get what I'm saying? I take my own advice too. Feel me? When you feel that temptation coming, remember, through the resistance and through the pain, because what's resistance? Think about when you're at the gym, right? You're using resistance to build muscle, resistance to build stronger bones, stronger features, just to get yourself stronger. So you have to go through what? Pain. And that resistance to the temptation will bring pain, a lot of pain. And that's the best, feel me? That's the best kind of pain. Think about when you have like a little ache in your back, ache in your legs, ache in your neck, ache in your shoulders, and you're rubbing it. You feel that pain, but that pain feel good, right? Like feels so good. Like, come on, you know what I'm talking about? You know what I mean? That's the same thing with the resistance pain from your temptations. Just know that, just like this pain feel good, baby. I know I'm good because look at the sun is shining and I know my blessings are coming, baby. Feel me? And especially when the temptations hit, that's when you know the blessing is around the corner. That's when you really know the blessing is around the corner. It's when temptations, to go back to a previous cycle, comes. You know what I'm saying? It's like you're at the crossroads right there. Right there at the crossroads. Which way are you gonna go? Temptation or surrender? No, what was it? Are you gonna surrender to the temptation, or are you gonna resist it and go towards the path of greatness like I'm doing also? Let's do it together. If you like the message, if you like the message, or you like the character, Mr. Never Ashamed So Honestly Thank Yourself, hit the like button. You know what I'm saying? If I did you a favor by giving you a little piece of advice or a little piece of entertainment or a little piece of education, you know what I'm saying? And I did you that solid, do me a solid. Just hit the button right there. It's so easy. Feel me? Alright, I'm out of here. Let me get back to this job.